How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To slack off. Anna and Jake are at the library. They're studying for an important test. What do you want, Jake? I'm trying to concentrate. How are you feeling, Anna? We've been here for a while. You okay? I've been reading this chapter for an hour, but I can't seem to learn anything. I hate this feeling. I know how you feel. It's been difficult to stay focused lately. We need to find a way to stay motivated and not slack off too much. You're right. Let's take a short break and then get back to work with a fresh mindset. Quiz time! What does slack off mean? To fall behind? To stop studying? To study hard? To work less hard? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To work less hard. Phrasal verb secrets. Slack off can mean to work less hard or be less efficient than usual. It can also refer to becoming less attentive or focused on a task. A general synonym for this verb is to procrastinate. The noun slack is generally something that is loose or weak. Off, in this case, refers to the decrease in effort or focus. Phrasal verb extras. Slack can be combined with other prepositions, like slacking behind, to fall behind in progress or performance. We have an expression, pick up the slack, when someone isn't working hard. This expression tells them to work harder. Examples. I noticed my grades slipping because I started to slack off during the semester. It's important not to slack off during the final part of a project. The team's performance suffered when they began to slack off in their training. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. A while. A long time. I can't seem to learn. I don't know why I'm not learning. A fresh mindset. A rejuvenated mind. Positive thinking. Attentive. Focused. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.